Hello, I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com, and I'm going to talk about the swing frame racks that we have available by Daymak Products. They are 1032 tapped rails, and this is a 2-foot unit. We also have them available in a 3 and a 4, 18-inch depth, and we also have them available with a 12-inch depth. Now, these unscrew on either the left or the right side. They swing open, and actually it includes 2 support rails, and we put one of these in just so you can take a look at it, that need to get screwed down. It adds additional support. I have seen some other swing frame racks that are kind of a 3-piece unit, but the weight rating isn't as high on them. And on the side of the rack, we also have these rivets on both sides to where you can use your Velcro strap, which is included. You cut to length so you can keep your cables all managed, and it also includes some 1032 screws so you can install your equipment with. Now let's see what one of these look like at the job site. Okay, so we're at the customer's job site, and we're going to see what this swing frame rack looks like.
Quick. Yeah, for the turbo bolt. So when we're ready to stick it in the wall, we just throw them in the wall. Give me another one. Yeah, level it once we get it kind of tight. Okay, well, what we did to mount this was to a wood backboard. We used toggle bolts. You can use lag bolts. You can use anything that pretty much gets it on a wood backing. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, as long as you get a wood back, I wouldn't recommend you mount this to drywall. As long as you get a cabinet deep enough where it can accommodate switches and it could swing out. We're not done now. But what we're doing is we're going to get all the network equipment in a more central location, whereas before it was spread out over the wall and everything else. It'll look better once we get it in. We'll dress the cables in and all that stuff. So it's just a better product at the end. It just looks a lot better. I recommend, if you have network equipment and a good sized network in a business, that you get something like this where you can put all your network equipment at.